Welcome to Invite English Family.
Why you are lying here? I said, why are you lying here? And why didn't you attend my calls?
I didn't see.
Why are you not going to the office?
I don't feel like going.
You haven't been in the mood for the last few days. That's why you didn't go to work. So, what are your plans for the morning?
Mind your own business. You go and do your job. I know how to handle my business.
Yes, I'm only concerned with my personal belongings. I had no idea that looking after my husband's things are wrong. You were not always like this before. So, what happened to you suddenly, Jack? Tell me the truth, Jack. To where are you going from here, telling that you are going to the office?
Do I have to ask your permission? Now about where I should go, and should not go.
You are going to the park and beach. Are you mad, Jack?
Yes. I'm mad.
Yes, mad. Who am I to you, Jack? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me, Jack. Tell me. Do you think I'm just only a sex toy?
Luna. Luna, I apologize. I've never beaten you before, and I'm not sure what happened to me. Hey! Talk to me.
I'm a woman and your wife. I know about myself. And I also know what happened. I've the ability to understand everything.
Luna.
It was my fault. But I didn't expect you to be so cheap, Jack. Che. Same on you. Did you ever thought about me or our son? What you thought and did? Did you at least realize that it's a big mistake? She was like a daughter to me. But you, Jack, how can you do that? Shame on you. When I realized what had happened, I was crying silently by myself. I recognized her name on your hand. I know you have her in your heart as well. But not even one, I abandoned you. Even at that time, I was acting like a fool. I was standing next to you. Any wife would not tolerate what you are doing. You should be aware of this. But I will never truly hate you, Jack. What did you get from her that I didn't give you? Love or... Dad.
Luna, please don't be sad.
How can I, Dad? It's been 2 days. His phone is switched off. Where is he? What happened to him? I don't know anything.
Nothing will happen. Perhaps he feels guilty. We are fully aware of all issues. That's it. He might want to stay away for a few days, that's all. That was all he could do. He will return. I'm sure of it. It would be shameful for us to inquire in other ways. We don't want to reveal what we know. I called him a few days back. Phone rang, but he didn't attend. We have to wait until he comes. Did you call that girl?
I'm not in a position to call her.
If I call her, that won't be nice.
Don't call her. Poor thing, let her live.
It's not like that, honey. You should meet that girl. Don't tell her Jack is missing. Sometimes she can give you some important clues. When you talk to her, you should be very calm and quiet. Her parents should not know about this.
I don't know. I can't do it.
Only you can do it. Try to understand Luna.
You are not seen here nowadays. What happened?
I was bit busy, Auntie.
Julie told us that we should invite you, sir and son, for Christmas.
Auntie, where is Julie?
She is in her room. I think she is sleeping. Nowadays, she's complaining about frequent headache. I took her to the hospital. Shall I call her?
It's okay. I will go and see her. It's been a few days that we met.
Okay, dear. Dear. Shall I make some tea for you?
Yeah, Auntie, as your wish. Are you feeling better? Did Jack call you lately?
No.
You had a fight?
No, we didn't fight.
I dragged you into my family life without your knowledge. I adopted you as my daughter. Julie, you're aware of this. Actually, you are not a child. You are grown up a lot. I couldn't believe it was my fault. Please accept my apologies. But I can understand you very well. Because even I'm a woman.
Bye, Mom.
Hey. Luna sister, please stop.